What does restricted mean on Instagram? So if you want to know what does restricted mean, then first you can open up your Instagram application and then you can go for messages, which is on the upper right. And from here you can simply choose a person, like hold on to this chat, and here you might have a restrict option. So the restrict option is available in only some regions. So in my region I don't have that restrict option. So if you have that restrict option, then restrict simply means that the person will be seeing less of you. Like if you have so restrict simply means that you will see less of that person. Like if they have posted something or if they have messaged you, then you won't be notified of their message. Or if they have called you, they won't be or if they have called you, then you won't be notified. So it's simply like blocking, but if you block that person, then they can't message you. But if you restrict that person, they can message you, they can like call you, but their call will not be reachable. And it's simply like ignoring that person. So you won't get notified with their messages. That's it. That's what restrict means. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.